welcome to our new video. Today we are unboxing Bosch GBH 220 and this model has released this year only. It has 230 volt and 326 RPM, 720 watt. This model is a hemmar drill machine. So let's start the video. Let's unbox. We should press this hard. This is waterproof also. Here is the manual. So here is our top. So this feature will, when you want to drill, how much centimeter you want to drill, you should check that. So here is the carbon where we can remove and repair the. When you have warranty, we can also go to control center and repair, but also warranty has end, you can remove it yourself because it is easily to remove. So this wire is 4 meters. You can see how much longer it is. Now also it is not. See how much longer the wire is. So it has speed control. You can see how much I press, that much only it is. Now I press fully, so it has pick up the speed. So it has 326 RPM. How to use this? Which can be vibrate. You can see this. It is not rotating, it is vibrating. So this mode is hammer with drilling. Let's test it also. So now is testing time. You can see how much power it have. Within seconds it will break the stone. Again. Within seconds. So now it is hammering mode. We can testing. Let's test it. How within seconds it can be plus because of this is new model. We will give the link in description of this drill machine. Guys, it has button control. How much you will press, that much only it will be power, and full press, full power. So now you can see within seconds also it can break. See, within seconds only breaking. Subscribe my channel for more new videos and thanks for watching.